Good day. Welcome to RNA Baba Yoruba. Still on another edition of our tone practice. Today we are going to pick B and we still practice with some other vowel sound as well as some other toe mark such as the re, do, as well as me, ba, be, be, bo, bu. Now let's practice with re, ba, be, bo, bu. Now let's practice with me. Ba, be, bo, bu. How do we get this? Once we pronounce out, we can also pronounce in. Then we do like this. By that, we're going to get it. We are going to stop here for today. Join us on our next episode. Likewise, if you wish to learn more about Yoruba language and culture, reach out to us today.
RNA Baba Yoruba TV.